functional art, wearable art, art. Hey everybody, I'm terrible. I just stick to a controller, which, well, you'll see. Anyhow, Babs is up there. I am humbly, look, I know how to build a computer. The other stuff, this stuff, not so much, filming and editing. I'm getting better. I'll have some help soon. I wanted to thank you because we hit what I consider, in my old man world, in the tech world, a milestone. We hit 10,000. Sorry, it's really early in the morning. Put my glasses on. I actually wanted to. It's big. I think it's huge for a short amount of time. We only started putting out content in September. I wanted to thank everybody who's helped, especially Andrew, NJ Sneaker King. Been so much help to me, and Harold Gerlaw for backing me, and all the sponsors we started getting with 8BitDo and AirGoo, you know, Silkland, and you know, a lot of stuff, and more to come. A lot more to come. We have some really cool stuff coming, and if you notice. And I'll start a little intro and I'll get to what we're going to do for the 10,000. And it's like I said, it's a massive milestone. And I wanted to give back, just like I like picking computer parts. I like picking sneakers. I think we're going to do, well, I know we're going to do, because they're the most requested. I think we're going to add the Jordan 4 to this. Again, I am absolutely blown away and just wanted to take a quick second, which it's never quick, I know, I bet. Thank you so much. It hit me, it didn't hit me right at first, but it really did hit me as, you know, to really focus on the art, the artistic part of what sneakers are and what computers are, beyond the functionality. Like I always say, functional art meets wearable art. I just think it's such a niche thing. Yeah, that's different. And I said, well, in a world of not that much different today and everybody doing the same thing, I was like, let's try something different and see if it sticks. And it seems to be starting to stick. And again, I just wanted to thank everyone out there. So how is it going to work? Well, here's how it works. There's a video up behind me. I'm going to put a link to it. And towards the end, I want to say between 6 and 8 minutes, there's something off that's really, I think it's very obvious in the video. I'm not going to tell you obviously what it is, nor when you put it in the comments, I'm going to tell you if you're right or wrong. This one's going to be a little more, it makes you think a little bit. So you're going to have to watch this video. You're going to have to see what it is. You're going to have to guess. I'll always give everybody a thumbs up, and that's really more of a thank you, or, you know, a heart and thank you, but I'm not going to tell you if you're right or not. I'm not. I think as it being, we're at the 10,000 mark, and we'll do it again at the 20,000 mark. We'll do, maybe Jordan 1. I don't know. We'll start with Jordan 4. But anyway, this is my way of saying thank you. You have to live in the US. Obviously, if you live in the tri-state area, if you're close by, I'll drop them off. If you're somewhere out of state, we need an address, not a P.O. box. If you don't trust me to send this to your house, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you shouldn't be here. Seriously. There's nothing shady going on here. I just wanted to show my appreciation. So anyway, like I said, I'm just trying to share this, my culture here of PCs and sneakers. Look, I'll put the link between 6 minutes and pretty much the end of the video. There's something really that sticks out. It's pretty simple. Put your size, and like I said, when we pick, I'll give it a couple weeks, let it fester. Jordan 4, you know, they hold their value. A lot of them go up. I think it's a good thank you for the milestone that we hit over here. Everybody, really, like I don't know how else to be more sincere. Thank you. I did not expect this. This turned into something so quick, so fast. To my friend Aiden, who we talk every day, planning, and he comes up, and it's crazy because he's doing it at work, and he comes up with ideas, and I went, where'd you get that from? And yeah, and some of the stuff, it's wild, some of the stuff. Thank you so much. We got some new pops coming. We have, you can't see, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases that we're going to do something with. We'll unbox them and we'll do, something obviously with our normal theme. Right, Babs? Babs up there. I keep Babs around. Gives me inspiration. I'm going to link the video. Anyway, thank you. Thank you. I want to make this thing so people really get, like, the art thing kicks in, you know? It's not just about the PC. It's not just about the sneakers. It's the fact that two things that have nothing to do with each other look alike, or can be put in a frame to look alike. And I just think that is pop culture at its finest, that two things, like I said, that really have nothing to do with each other, besides the fact that, you know, some gamers like sneakers and a lot of sneakers play video games and love computers like I do. I get to create that, step away from, you know, the real world and go into this world, and that's everybody has their little escapes. This is mine. That and trying not to eat out too much, because I like food too much, obviously. We're working on it. We're working on trying not to be round. It's difficult. My thanks again to you sincerely. I can't say it enough. Please like, please subscribe, please watch the video, get in on this. You probably want to hang on to them because they're going to be worth. And maybe one day I'll have Andrew on here and he can explain to you the value of certain ones and why, and the real history of the things, that how it's grown into this monster thing, and the fashion that goes with it. I don't want to, you know, spoil anything, but maybe computer, if you know what I just said. Yeah. Thank you again. Like, subscribe, watch, comment, shoe size. If it's your first time here, watch our content, comment, share, help us grow. Sneaks and Geeks USA. Thank you. Link, follow, shoe size, comment. Must live in the United States. Sorry, and thank you again. Take care.